On this episode,
we're at Martin Dyes Junior State Park.
and we might have overdone it this time. Not a bad site. We got lake access. Taking that out tomorrow. We have a lot of fun in store, so stay tuned.
I saw a fish jump on that side.
You guys want to see me not catch a fish?
Yeah.
I'm just sitting here fishing by the alligators. Well, the fishing was a bust, but we saw a gator.
We need to be super aware of the lily pads when we canoe tomorrow.
There's gators out there. I hear the frogs out there though. So tomorrow we're gonna have some fun. Good night.
Good night. So one unique thing about this park is it has a drone flying area. Just go to the front office and talk to them. You can fill out a form and you can fly your drone out here.
All right, let's take it up. Mel forgot her contacts. You notice I'm not wearing sunglasses because Mel can't wear sunglasses, and she didn't tell me I had to not wear sunglasses, but she can't wear sunglasses, so I'm not wearing sunglasses because we're a team. If she's a little bit miserable, I'm gonna be a little bit miserable too. That's my girl right there. What do you think about that?
Yeah, that hurt your eyes. Go ahead.
Almost reminds me of Caddo Lake. If you haven't seen the Caddo Lake episode, go back and check it out. It's our first time to go canoeing on this channel. We got hot up in here, Mel.
Yes, it did. Whew.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna be okay. I'll get a tan.
Yeah. And I'll get a burn. Oh, that's nice.
Ooh, that's cold.
And this, people, this is why we do this, to show you how much fun you can have at a state park. We're up in our 20s, quarter of the way there.
Up in our what?
Up in our 20s on the state parks.
Oh, not even our age. I was like, you liar.
We're not in our 20s.
Yeah, we're up. alligators.
Yeah. Lucky. Well, we're back from canoeing. We just looked at the map. We did 7 miles.
7.5.
7.5 closer to. We started down here and we did that trail and that trail. There's the river over there. My wrists are burnt and my knees are burnt. You're not burnt at all.
Yeah, and it's hot.
110 today.
110 today, yeah.
Texas summer is here.
Woo, it's here. I'm living my best life.
We said at the beginning of the video that we might have overdone it. We're beat, man. This is 1 full day of the heat and 7 miles of canoeing. It's done its thing.
7.5.
7.5 miles. It's 7.5 miles.
Half
I felt that half mile right there coming back in.
That heat. Woo.
This park is a boater's paradise. I mean, it's a fun park, especially if you're on the water. So keep that in mind.
Yeah, and it tends to show that there's openings more often than not.
There's spots open all over the place. Martin Dies Junior State Park. Until next time, happy trails, y'all.